Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to review NordVPN. NordVPN is a leading virtual private network service that offers a secure encrypted tunnel for online traffic with over 5,000 servers across 60 countries. It's known for fast speeds and robust privacy protection. Pros of NordVPN. Number one, top-notch security. NordVPN uses AES 256 encryption, ensuring your data is virtually uncrackable. They also offer double VPN for an added layer of security. Number two, no logs policy. NordVPN is based in Panama, which means they are not under any jurisdiction that mandates data retention. They have had independent audits to prove they keep no logs. Fast speeds. Thanks to their Nord Linux protocol, based on WireGuard, NordVPN delivers some of the fastest VPN speeds available. Streaming capability. Unblocking Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more is a breeze. Say goodbye to geo restrictions. And now let's talk about the cons of NordVPN. Number one, the price. While NordVPN is packed with features, it is not the cheapest option on the market. We will get into the pricing in a bit. Number two, server connection delays. Occasionally, there can be slight delays when connecting to certain servers, especially during peak times. Number three, limited advanced configurations. For the tech savvy, NordVPN may feel a bit too streamlined compared to more customizable VPNs. Price update for 2025. NordVPN offers three main plans. Monthly, you can pay starting from $13 per month for the basic plan. And if you want to get the 1 year plan, you will pay $5 per month, which means 59.88 for the first 12 months. For the 2 year plan, you will pay $30.39 per month, which means $81.36 for the first 24 months. And all these prices are for the basic plan. So now the question is NordVPN still worth it in 2025? Absolutely. Despite the higher price tag, the features, security, and speed you get are top tier. It's especially worth it if you value online privacy, need to bypass geo-blocks, or just want to keep your data safe from prying eyes. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.